In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create multicolored pages with gradient and background blur. Gradients let you blend two colors or more smoothly to create visual depth, while background blur softens the content below the element. This will help you to boost contrast and readability. Together, these tools reduce the need to use external design apps. They will help you to build polished layouts directly within the page builder. Let me show you how that looks like. So first, let's build a website. Click on Sites on the left, Websites at the top. Let's create a new one. Give it a name, hit Create. Let's create a new page. And let's create one from blank. Please note that backgrounds live at the container level. So that means you can use them at the section, row, and column level to control how effects cascade and how content sits above them. So let's create a section. And then click inside the section, and on the right-hand side, you see the menu popping up, and right here under background, you can see all these options. You can select between colors, images, or videos to add as the background. Now, if we choose color, we have the option to turn on gradient. Here we can choose to type linear, radial, or angular. This would be linear, then radial looks like that, and angular looks like this. Here you can adjust the colors and set the angles for exact results. And down here, you can also add up to 10 different colors. So let's add another color, for example, green. And then here you can again dictate how much opacity you want to show per color. Scrolling further down, you can again adjust the angle here via the slider. And down here, you can turn on the background blur and set the intensity. Please note that the background blur works best with semi-transparent colors. Any existing background images or videos won't change. The gradient as well as the blur are just additional settings. The blur does not affect the content inside the element. The blur softens what's behind the element. Content inside the element, like text, remains crisp. And that's how you can pimp your website and give it a fresher look. And if you want to learn how to go out and sell websites as a service, make sure to sign up via my affiliate link. It comes with different courses and snapshots that will help you make money online and generate recurring revenue.